Doorknobs have been the same forever. Milda is here to change all of that. No more twisting your wrist, simply push or pull. Now anyone, no matter how old they are, can operate doors easily and safely on demand. Milda, opening doors with the tap of a finger. For as long as anyone can remember, we've always had to twist our wrists to work a doorknob. Milda gets rid of that burden. Just push or pull to open any interior door. Now kids, seniors, people with disabilities or injuries, or anyone with full or messy hands can open doors with ease. That's how easy it is. And in the event of an earthquake or fire, Milda saves precious seconds while you evacuate. Milda's 90-degree rotational latch puts an innovative spin on the conventional door handle. This mechanism requires only 2 millimeters of movement from the door handle to spring the latch. Doors open effortlessly, and there's even a tight, secure lock for additional security. Milda is door opening made easier than ever. Just one tap is all it takes. The emergency exit feature also lets you open from the inside to automatically disengage the door lock for a quick, safe evacuation. Our backers told us how we can improve Milda for children and seniors. The latch and handle come pre-assembled. All you need are a few screws and you'll be done in just a few minutes. And with a mirror design, Milda works with whatever configuration you're thinking of. You can even flip the handle upside down to make it easier for kids to reach. There's even an optional handle cover to make Milda even smoother and help prevent any static shocks. Milda is the door handle and latch with perfected accessibility and design. But above all, we hope that with Milda, we can help make life better. Open the door to barrier-free living with Milda.